Hello students, I hope your understanding is getting better by each and every question. Today we are going to solve problem number 10 of partnership final accounts, which will be last problem of our topic. Let's start with the question quickly. Shipra and Manisha are partners sharing profits and losses in their capital ratio. Okay, so we are given capital ratio. What is the capital ratio? We are having fixed capital and current capital. So capital ratio will be taken always from the fixed capital. So here we have 9:3 as our fixed capital. Ratio of profit sharing will be 9:3 or 3:1. You're required to prepare trading account and profit and loss account for the year ended 31st March 2019 and balance sheet as on that date. All right. So we have a trial balance here. See, I have already done the markings for posting. We will start with the adjustments now. Here you can see there are two dots. One is in front of purchases, which is for purchase return, that is given in the trial balance. And here one dot is in front of sales, which is for sales return. Moving to the adjustments now. First we have stock on 31st March 2019, which is 37,000. So where we will record it? First we will record it in trading account credit side, right? And second effect will be in balance sheet asset side. Done. Second point, we have sales include sale of machinery of rupees 2000, which is sold on 1st April 2018. All right. So this is the sales which is recorded in trading account. And what is sales? Sales is nothing but sale of goods which are regularly traded in our business, right? But this machinery is a part of our asset, right? This is a capital sales. This is not a revenue sales which should be become part of sales. So what we will do, we will make a mark. We will reduce it from sales. We will reduce it from sales and from machinery also, right? Sales में से क्यों reduce किया? Because हम लोगों ने wrong recording किया. और machinery में से इसलिए reduce किया because हमने जब sale किया तब हमने machinery को reduce नहीं किया था. So I'll put a point in front of machinery also for recording this. Next we have depreciation on fixed asset at 5%. Okay, let's find out what fixed assets we have. First we have furniture. I'll make a mark in front of furniture. Then we have plant and machinery. So I have made another mark in front of plant and machinery. And we have building. So I'll make a mark in front of building. So these are the three assets which we need to depreciate. Next we have each partner is entitled to get commission at 10% on gross profit. That means ये वाला पॉइंट जो है इसे हमें इंतजार करवाना पड़ेगा. सारे एडजस्टमेंट कंप्लीट होने के बाद हम ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट क्लोज करेंगे. Then we will make this point. So I have made a circle here. Okay. Now interest on capital is 5% per annum. Okay, so interest on capital we can charge. We have a capital of 90,000 and 30,000. 5% of 90,000 and 5% of 30,000 will be interest on capital. What will be the effect of interest on capital? For interest on capital, tell me. First, we will write it in partners current account. Okay. Second effect will be in P&L account. Very nice. So I hope आप लोगों को अभी सारे एडजस्टमेंट्स जो हैं याद हो गए हैं. और अगर नहीं ऐसा है तो प्लीज वॉच द वीडियोस अगेन एंड अगेन. मैंने सभी टॉपिक्स सभी एडजस्टमेंट्स उसमें एक्सप्लेन किए हैं. कुछ अगर नहीं समझ में आए तो यू कैन राइट इट कमेंट सेक्शन. बट you have to practice, then only you can understand how to solve the question. It's not that difficult. Then we have outstanding expenses, wages rupees 200 and salaries 500. So we'll make a mark in front of wages and salaries. Done. So where will we record it? रिकॉर्डिंग यहाँ पर एक बार देख लेते हैं हम लोग. इसे हम रिकॉर्ड करेंगे एक तो पी एंड एल अकाउंट में. वेरी नाइस. पी एंड एल अकाउंट में क्या करेंगे? आउटस्टैंडिंग है, बाहर खड़ा हुआ मेहमान है, तो उसको क्या कर दिया है मैंने? ऐड किया है. राइट. तो यहाँ पर देखो पी एंड एल में मैंने ऐड किया है. और सेकेंड इफेक्ट हमारा क्या होगा इसका बोलो? बैलेंस शीट में इट विल बी कंसिडर्ड एज liability. Very nice. So here we have two effects for this. Moving to the next point, create provision for doubtful debt at 3% on sundry debtors. Okay, so I'll make a mark in front of sundry debtors so that we can reduce RDD from this, minus from sundry debtors, and second effect will be recorded in P&L account debit side. Okay, so this was all with the question. See if you will understand the question properly, then there should not be any problem in solving it. ठीक है. यहीं पर हम लोग की आधी जंग जीती जाती है जब हम लोग का क्वेश्चन पूरा क्लियर होता है. अब क्या है? अब तो बहुत आसान है. We have to make postings first. We will make three things. First is P&L account, then balance sheet and partners current account. Partners current account will not be prepared in working note. It will make a part of our question. Let's start with posting. So find out what we have to record in trading and P&L first. We have purchases 55,000, then wages, then salaries will be recorded in P&L account. See all those things which are having dot in front of them, I am recording them in gross column. Next we have discount, then carriage outward will be recorded in P&L account because it is related to sales. Then we have postage 500, sales returns we have that should be reduced from sales. See, by sales less sales return, and 500 is the amount I have written here. Next we have uh, cash in hand and cash at bank will be recorded in balance sheet. Insurance we have that will be recorded in P&L. Opening stock 17,800. Then trade expenses we have already discussed, though its name is trade expense, but it is an indirect expense because it includes expenses related to sales. Next, warehouse rent. It's again an indirect expense because in warehouse we keep the products after production. Next, we have advertisement expense that will be recorded in P&L account. Let's move to credit side. Sales we have 1,20,000. So total after reducing 500, the amount is written in gross column because we have one more adjustment here. Then rent received will be recorded in P&L credit side. We have purchase returns 1,000 rupees that I have reduced from purchases. Then we have discount, and everything else belongs to balance sheet. So let's move to the balance sheet and record the items of balance sheet. First we have sundry debtors in the debit side. Let's record sundry debtors. Then we have plant and machinery. Okay, furniture first 38,500. Then plant and machinery. Then next we have bills receivable. Then we have cash in hand and cash at bank. And lastly we have buildings, right? So this way our debit side is clear. Moving to the credit side, we have sundry creditors, then we have bills payable, and capital we have to capital account will record in the first lines, and it is fixed capital, so obviously we will net it at the same time. For the current account, I have told you previously also, whenever you have current account in your trial balance, you have to prepare a partner's current account. So here we have opening balance of partner's current account 5,000 and 3,000. चलिए यहां तक कंप्लीट होने के बाद अब हमें क्या करना है? वी हैव टू गो फॉर एडजस्टमेंट्स. First adjustment we have closing stock. It will be recorded in trading credit side and balance sheet asset side. Next we have sales include sale of machinery of rupees 2000 which is sold on 1st April 2018. ठीक है, तो ईयर के स्टार्टिंग में ही हम लोगों ने मशीन सेल की है 2000 रुपीज की. तो यहाँ प्लांट एंड मशीनरी में इसकी रिकॉर्डिंग नहीं हुई है तो अब रिकॉर्ड करेंगे. सो हम लोगों ने यहाँ सेल ऑफ मशीन 2000 रुपीज लेस कर दिया. नेट मशीन हमारे पास जो बची है वो है 58,000 रुपीज की. ओके, डेप्रिसिएशन में हम लोग को कैलकुलेशन में कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम इसलिए नहीं आएगी क्योंकि दिस मशीन इज सोल्ड ऑन 1st April 2018. तो ईयर के बिगिनिंग में ही हमने ये सेल कर दिया है, अभी हमें कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा. ओके, सो अब जो डेप्रिसिएशन है वो 58,000 पर ही लगेगा और होल ईयर के लिए लगेगा. Second effect we are going to give in sales. We will minus it from sales because it is wrongly recorded here. So our net sales will be 1,17,500. I hope आप लोगों को ये points clear हैं. So we are done with point number 1 and point number 2. Point number 3 की तरफ चलते हैं. We have to charge depreciation on fixed assets. No problem. 5% is the rate of depreciation. So let's see. We will charge depreciation on furniture at 5%, 1925. So 36,575 is the amount. Then we have plant and machinery 58,000 and depreciation is 5% of 58,000, 2,900. So net amount is 55,100. And finally we have building. So 5% of 20,000 is 1,000 and 19,000 is the amount of building. Now we have to give a second effect of this. Where we will give second effect? In P&L account. So let's see. My P&L account was having less space, so I have shifted to the next page. You can see. So here I will record depreciation on furniture, plant and machinery and building. Next point. Okay, so we are done with depreciation as well. Next point we have commission on gross profit. So for this we will have to wait till end of the question. इसको तो मैंने सर्कल कर दिया है as usual. Interest on capital we can charge now. तो interest on capital हम लोग अभी कैलकुलेट कर लेते हैं और अभी चार्ज कर देते हैं. Interest on capital is 5%. So 5% of 90,000 and 5% of 30,000. Let's see. Interest on capital 5% is 4,500 and 1,500. Second effect will be given in P&L account. Let's move to P&L account to interest on capital. This is the amount and net amount is 6,000. Next outstanding expenses, wages rupees 200 and salaries 500. That will be added in the respective expenses. So add outstanding wages 200 rupees. So 1,000 is the amount and add salary 500. So 4,000 will be the amount of salaries. Now let's give it second effect. As it is payable, it's still not paid. So it will be our liability. So we'll record it in the liability side as outstanding wages and outstanding salaries. Done? So we are done with point number 4 half and point number 5 we have completed. Moving to the next point. Now we have to create RDD on debtors at 3%. So we have 28,000 debtors. 3% of 28,000 is 840. So net debtors will be 27,160. Done. Second effect will be given in P&L account To RDD 840 rupees, right? So this way we have completed all our adjustments. Now what we have to do, we have to calculate gross profit, and from that gross profit we have to give commission to the partners. Let's calculate gross profit first. So our gross profit will be as follows. Total of credit side is 1,54,500, and you will make a total of debit side, and our gross profit is 81,700. We will transfer the same amount to P&L account, 81,700. Now we have to charge commission into this, and commission is 1% of gross profit. So 1% of 81,700 will be 817 rupees. So net commission will be 1634. Let's give the second effect of this adjustment, and with that will be given in partners current account. As it is an income for the partners, we will write it in the credit side of partners current account. Done. So this way we have done with the last adjustment. Now we have to calculate net profit. So let's calculate it. Total of credit side is 84,000. Now you will make a total of debit side and minus it from the credit side, and our net profit is 56,401. Done. Now we have to distribute this net profit in the partners. In which ratio? We have read in the beginning of the question that it should be distributed in capital ratio, that is 9:3, or I can say 3:1. So here I will distribute net profit in the partners in the ratio of 3:1, and it is divided in this way. देखिए यहाँ पर पॉइंट में आंसर आ रहा था तो एक को कम दिया है और एक को ज्यादा दिया है. So net profit is done. Let's close the partner's current account now. So total of Kripa is 52,617, and balance will be the same because there is no amount in the debit side. Same is the case with Manisha. Its total is 19,418, and same will be her balance. So their balance is as follows. Now let's transfer this balance to the balance sheet. We will write current account, and the total amount of current account is 72,035 rupees. Let's make a total of asset side and liability sides. This is the total, and this way we have completed our question. So if you have any doubt, you can ask in comment section. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel, because I am going to post one more question, that is question number 8, along with a video for further adjustments. So do subscribe my channel, and thank you so much.